Welcome to Richard Language. Today's topic is how to use the word 想. And I think when you start to learn Chinese, the word 想 sometimes confuses you. So that's the reason why today I want to talk about this word 想. And how can we use the word 想 precisely? And how many meanings are there in the word 想? Actually, the word 想 has three major meanings. And I hope in today's lesson, you really know how to use the word 想. Okay, let's talk about the first meaning. 想 actually means think, especially in your personal opinion. And often without proof, you just guess or suppose something as it was. And right now, let's talk about the grammar, how to use the word in the meaning of think. And first of all, you use a subject. Then you use the word 想, which means think. And then you plus one sentence. This is very important. A sentence. So right now, let me give you one example sentence. 我想他会喜欢这只狗。我想他会喜欢这只狗。I think he will like this dog. When you say this sentence, you're talking about your own opinion, and you emotionally agree with this statement, which means this is just your personal like and your personal opinion. And right now, let me give you another example sentence. 我想他是对的。我想他是对的。I think he is right. And when you're talking about this, you are just expressing your personal opinion. And what if you want to say these sentences with a more positive tone in Chinese? Then we use 认为。认为。认为 means you consider something based on what you have known with certain proof. So whenever we use the word 认为, it is more positive than you use 想. Right now, let me give you two sentences to compare the two usages. 我想他是对的。我想他是对的。I think he's right. And when you use 想 here, this sentence means your personal opinion, and it is more colloquial. And the next one, 我认为他是对的。我认为他是对的。I think firmly he's right. So when you use 认为, and this sentence is more like a formal and positive statement with certain knowledge or proof. Okay, very good. And then let's talk about the second meaning of the word 想. And the second meaning is want to or would like to. And actually, 想 here is the short for 想要. 想要. And then let's talk about the grammar. A subject plus 想 or 想要 and plus a verb. Remember, it is very important when you use this meaning. All the time we follow with a verb. Okay, right now, let me give you an example sentence. 我 想要学汉语。我想要学汉语。I want to learn Chinese. And here, 想 you can also use 想要。我想要学汉语。我想要学汉语。Both are correct. Okay, another example sentence. 我想要吃面条。我想要吃面条。Also, you can say like this. 我想吃面条。我想吃面条。Very good. And then, let's talk about the third meaning of the word 想, which means miss or think of. And actually, here, 想 is the short for 想念. 想念. Okay, then let's talk about how to use 想 in the meaning of miss or think of. And all the time when we talk about this grammar, you use a subject plus 想 or 想念, and then plus something or someone. This is very important. When you use the word 想 in the meaning of miss or think of, we follow with something or someone. Okay, let me give you one example sentence. 我想我在美国的家人。我想我在美国的家人。I miss my family in the US. And also, you can say like this. 我想念我在美国的家人。我想念我在美国的家人。Okay, let me give you another example sentence. 我想我的前女友。我想我的前女友。前女友 means ex-girlfriend. I think some of you may have this kind of experience. Okay, and you can also say like this. 我想念我的前女友。我想念我的前女友。Okay, very good. And sometimes I'm afraid that you will forget these usages very quickly. So let's have some review about them. Okay, the first one, a subject plus 想 plus a sentence. And in this case, 想 means think, especially in your personal opinion. And secondly, a subject plus 想 or 想要 plus a verb. And in this case, 想 or 想要 means want to or would like to. And third, a subject plus 想 or 想念 plus something or someone. And here, 想 or 想念 means miss or think of. Okay, at last, I want to give you some practice. and I'll read the sentence twice. And after I finish reading the sentence, please you think about it. What's the meaning of the word 想 in the sentence? 我想离开，我想离开。我 means I. 离开 means leave. And what do you think the meaning of 想 in this sentence? Very good. It means want to. I want to leave. The next one. 我想这个苹果很好吃。我想这个苹果很好吃。Okay, can you think of the meaning of the word 想 in this Chinese sentence? Very good. It means I think, in personal opinion, okay? I think this apple is very yummy. 苹果 means apple. 很 means very. 好吃 yummy or delicious. In case you don't know the meaning of these Chinese words. Okay, the next one. 我想我的妻子。我想我的妻子。Okay, what's the meaning of 想 here? Think about it. Very good. It means miss. I miss my wife. 我想我的妻子。我的 means my. 妻子 means wife. 我想我的妻子。I miss my wife. Okay, very good. If you don't feel tired, I think let's do more practice, okay? Okay, let's see the first one. 我想他吃饱了。我想他吃饱了。Can you think about what's the meaning of 想 here? Very good. It means I think and impersonal opinion, okay? 我想他吃饱了。I think he's full. 吃饱 means full. Okay, the next one. 我想我的猫。我想我的猫。Okay, can you think about what's the meaning of 想 in this sentence? Very good. Here, 想 means miss. 我想我的猫。I miss my cat. 我想我的猫。Okay, the last one, finally. 我想睡了。我想睡了。Oh, maybe that's how you feel right now, because maybe this class is boring. I hope you like my video actually. Okay, please tell me, what's the meaning of 想? Yes, very good. 我想睡了。我想睡了。Here, 想 means want to, because you see the verb behind it, right? I want to sleep. 我想睡了。我想睡了。我想睡了。我想睡了。I want to sleep. Okay, my friends, that's all for today. If you like my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. 再见。